Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for String Tech Workstations. Gluing an acoustic guitar bridge on, whether it be a new build like this one that I'm building, or a repair, can be one of the most daunting tasks. So let me walk you through this step by step and show you how I do it and explain why I choose to do it this way. So the first thing I have to say is this is definitely one of those 99% preparation, 1% perspiration jobs. Get all your ducks in a row. Get everything lined up first before you even think about spreading glue. So as you can see, I've got all my clamping calls. So this is my dry run, no glue yet. When I glue a bridge on, this is a new build obviously, I just drill the two outside holes. Those bridge pins act as indexing pins to stop the bridge from shifting on the bed of glue as we apply the clamping pressure. Those four center holes will be through drilled after the bridge is glued on and set. There is no saddle slot in this bridge. That is also calculated after the fact when the neck is glued on. This way I guarantee 100% perfect intonation every time. I will go through this same procedure on a repair job as well, where I'm replacing the bridge. I'll put it on blank, do the math, calculate where that slot should go for perfect intonation, and cut it after the fact. In this case, with this guitar, this is sort of built in the spirit of the sort of golden era 20s, 30s, 40s guitars. The entire guitar, other than the actual plastic binding, was completely assembled with hide glue. The bridge is also going to be glued on with hide glue. So I'm getting everything ready. I've got all my wipe-up sticks already shaped, ready to go. I got 6 of them. I got 6 cloths. So when it comes time to spread the glue, everything is organized in advance. I can relax, spread the glue, knowing there's no surprises. I've got 2 wet cloths and 4 dry cloths. Once you get comfortable with hide glue, it's fantastic, but you don't want to practice on a bridge glue, that's for sure. This is pretty critical stuff. For those of you that are new to the idea of hide glue, learn how to use it. You know, you can mix this up for all different types of thicknesses, for all different types of jobs. This is kind of like a thin to medium thickness that I've got for this job because we got a beautiful fit on that bridge. We don't need any gap filling qualities at this point because we've got a perfect glue joint. Now the nice thing about hide glue, and I've mentioned this so many times in other videos, is it doesn't stick to lacquer. In an instance like this, when you're gluing a bridge on, it's a real blessing and it cleans up immaculately.